Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change Proton calendar settings step by step. Customizing your settings lets you personalize how Proton Calendar works, including your time zone, notifications, calendar preferences, and other account options. So let's get started. First, open Proton Calendar on your computer, Android phone, or iPhone, and sign in with your Proton account. Once your calendar loads, look for the settings icon or open the account menu to access your calendar preferences. Next, browse through the available settings categories. Depending on your device and the version of Proton Calendar you're using, you may find options for time zone, notifications, default calendar, date and time format, language, and other personalization features. Now select the setting you want to change. You can update your preferred time zone, adjust event reminder notifications, choose your default calendar for new events, or modify other available preferences. After making your changes, click or tap Save if the app asks you to confirm them. If you're using Proton Calendar on multiple devices, remember that some settings are linked to your Proton account and will sync automatically, while others, such as notification permissions, may need to be configured separately on each device. Finally, create a test event or refresh your calendar to confirm that your new settings are working as expected. If a change doesn't appear right away, restart the app or reload the web page and make sure you're connected to the internet. And that's it. You now know how to change Proton Calendar settings and customize your calendar experience to better match your personal preferences. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.